Hello students, today we will continue the bases and their properties. So let's start. Now we will discuss the properties of bases. Bases have bitter taste and soapy to touch. Bases which dissolve in water, they are called alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, they all are alkalis. In this chapter, mostly we will discuss those bases which are soluble in water. Bases when dissolved in water to release the OH minus ion. Bases turns red litmus blue, methyl orange yellow, and phenolphthalein pink. Now we will see the chemical characteristics of the bases. Bases react with metal to form respective metal salt and evolve hydrogen gas. For example, this is sodium zincate. Zinc metal, when react with sodium hydroxide base, it form salt. The name of this salt is sodium zincate and evolve hydrogen gas. Similarly, aluminium react with sodium hydroxide in aqueous solution to form sodium metal aluminate. This is a salt with the evolution of hydrogen gas. It means, like acid, bases are also react with metal to evolve hydrogen gas with the formation of metal salt. In case of acid, we have discussed that acids react with metal oxide, but bases react with non-metal oxide to form salt and water. For example, alkalis, water-soluble base, when it react with the non-metal oxide, carbon is non-metal and their oxide CO2, carbon dioxide is non-metal oxide to form sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus water. This Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is a type of salt. It means bases react with non-metal oxide to form salt and water. Similarly, calcium hydroxide CaOH whole 2, when it react with non-metal oxide to form calcium carbonate, and this calcium carbonate is a salt and water. This same reaction we will discuss in the next type. We can say that is the neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, when a base react with an acid to form salt and water. Sodium hydroxide is a base when it react with acid HCl to form NaCl salt and water. Similarly, calcium hydroxide, this is a base when it react with acid to form calcium sulfate, that is a salt and water. Now we will discuss the uses of bases. Due to different properties of bases, bases can be used for the various purpose. Like sodium hydroxide, formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and this is also called caustic soda. It is used for manufacture of soap, paper, rayon is the synthetic fiber, and in the refining of petroleum. Similarly, potassium hydroxide KOH, it is called caustic potash, and it is used in the storage battery, in the manufacture of soap, etc. Calcium hydroxide, formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole 2 and it is called slacked lime. It is used in the whitewashing, in the softening of hard water as well as for manufacture of bleaching powder. Next, magnesium hydroxide. Formula of magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole 2. It is also called milk of magnesia and it is used as antacid which remove the acidity in our stomach. Aluminium hydroxide formula is AlOH whole 3 and it is used in the fire extinguisher as a foaming agent. Similarly, ammonium hydroxide formula is NH4OH and it is used to remove the grease from our cloths. So these are the uses of bases. Baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. This is the baking soda. It is also used for making the cakes and for making the baking powder. So students, these are total about the bases. In the next class, we will discuss about the salts. Thank you.